Hey there, I just wanted to introduce you to 872 Hayes Road. This house can be found in Shamrock Forest in Columbus, North Carolina. Got some beautiful updates. This retaining wall is new. All of the rock garden is new. It's been very well taken care of. It sits on the main street, but there's not a whole lot of traffic down here. It does offer a lower HOA fee because of that. So you're not paying to maintain the roads actually in Shamrock Forest. Let's go take a look inside. This house has been painted. So fresh paint, new flooring, beautiful stone fireplace that would be a propane fireplace. It's got a separate bedroom plan. You've got 2 bedrooms over here and your primary bedroom here. Pretty large bedroom, a nice little alcove here. Bathroom, 1 sink, an updated sink as well. A walk-in shower. The shower is still under warranty. Got a huge walk-in closet here. Shared bath between the bedrooms, also updated. Bathtub. Another large room. This house has been professionally cleaned, so it is move-in ready. Massive dining space. A walk-through kitchen that goes into a 2-car garage. Washer dryer connections. You can see you've got access to the outdoors here. This is another part that was added on, this beautiful deck. This really nice little sidewalk was recently added. Let's see, you've got some flat areas in the yard. You also have a little fire pit right there. The owner actually bought the lot next to this house, so this storage room sits on that lot. So you have a little bit more acreage over here. As I said, super sweet, quiet area, ready to move in. Let's make it happen. Good amount of parking. We're only about a mile from the downtown Columbus area. Very close to the Equestrian Center, 12 minutes or so. About 20 minutes from Hendersonville, maybe 40 from downtown Asheville. It's a beautiful, quiet area in the mountains. Okay, I'm about a mile down from the house in Columbus. See those beautiful mountains. Got all kinds of shops and restaurants on this strip here. Place to get your hair done, some country cooking, some good Mexican food. They have a farmer's market down here on the weekends. This is the street that leads to the house. Down further that way, you're gonna find some fast food restaurants, Ingles, and then if you keep going down this road, that'll take you into Tryon, which is another lovely little town.